Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the valuable tips and advice on all things in insurance. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of life insurance. Whether you are considering purchasing life insurance or already have a policy, this video will provide you with the essential information to make informed decisions and ensure the financial security of your loved ones. So let's get started. So, before we get into the nitty gritty details, let's outline the key points while being covered in this video. The first one is understanding importance of life insurance. The second one is different types of life insurance policy. The next topic which we covered is assessing your coverage needs. The fourth one is factors affecting life insurance policy. The fifth one is tips for choosing the right life insurance policy. The sixth point which we cover in this video is common mistake to avoid. And the last one is reviewing and update your life insurance policy. So, understanding the importance of life insurance. So, life insurance is a crucial component of a solid financial plan, providing a safety net of your loved ones in the event of your untimely passing. It ensures that your family is protected and financially secure, even when you are no longer around to provide for them. Life insurance can cover various expenses like mortgage payment, outstanding debts, education costs, and even funeral expenses. Now, the next topic is types of insurance policy. Now that you are understanding the significance of life insurance, let's explore the different types of policy available. There are primarily two broad categories. The first one is term life insurance and the second is permanent life insurance. In term, life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, usually 10, 20 or 30 years. In permanent life insurance, on the other hand, offer coverage for an entire lifetime and include policy like whole life, universal life and variable life insurance. Now, assessing your coverage. Determining the right coverage amount is crucial to ensure your loved ones are adequately protected. To assess your coverage needs such as outstanding debts, mortgage payment, education expenses and ongoing living costs. It also essential to account for further financial goals and the number of dependents you have. Now, the several factors influence life insurance premium and understanding them can help you to find the best policy and the affordable price. Some common factors include your age, health, condition, lifestyle choices such as smoking, occupation and the coverage amount you choose. It is crucial to disclose accurate information to the insurance provider to avoid any issue with your policy later on. The next topic is tips for you choosing the right life insurance. Choosing the right life insurance policy can be overwhelming, but with a few tips in mind, you can simplify the process. Start by researching reputable insurance company, comparing their policy. Consider working with an independent insurance agent who can provide unbiased advice. Additionally, carefully review the policy terms and conditions, paying attention to features like riders, conversion option and payout option. The next topic, common mistake to avoid. To ensure you make the most of your life insurance policy, it is essential to avoid common mistakes. Some mistakes to be steer clear of include not reviewing your policy regularly, not updating beneficiaries after significant life events, and not understanding the policy exclusions and limitations. Take the time to educate yourself and consult with a professional to make informed decisions. Now, reviewing and update your life insurance policy. Finally, once you have your life insurance policy in place, don't forget to review and update it regularly. Life circumstances changes and your policy should align with your current needs. Whether it is a new addition to the family, a change in the income or paying of debts, it is crucial to keep your coverage up to date. So that's wrap up our comprehensive guide on life insurance. We hope you find this video informative and helpful. Remember, life insurance is an investment in your family future. It is never too early to start planning. If you have any question or need further guideline, feel free to leave a comment below and we will happy to assist you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insurance related content and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.